Introducing the all-new SmartHead, the second generation unit from AUTOBOAT. It is completely redone from top to bottom. This video is an introduction to one of many videos in the library creating a video manual. So you can just scroll down to any video you need for any part, whether it's creating tracks to follow just like this, or figuring out more advanced features all over the app. Our goal is to help you optimize the performance of this unit to gain all of its benefits, and there are many. If the video manual is not your thing, we have a text manual just alike, but if neither of these are answering your question, you can feel free to contact us directly. The information is posted below in the video. In this video tutorial series, we will be covering the following things. If you're a legacy AUTOBOAT user, we explain the absolute differences between the two units and what got upgraded, how to install, basic operation, and how to use all the device settings and features in the app and in the unit itself. Now, the difference between the legacy AUTOBOAT units and the SmartHead is you see all these different parts were needed to make the SmartHead work. A lot of people didn't know where to store that black box. There was just more cords laying around, more to go wrong. We did simplify that with a first attempt, and this was the first SmartHead made, which got rid of all of that stuff, but it was still not quite what we would hope the AUTOBOAT would eventually become. But this unit, the second and ultimately final revision of the SmartHead, had been made, and it is phenomenal, where literally everything had now been upgraded, including the components. So the unit was not only easier to install and more durable, all the features work much better in general. Where with the legacy unit, yes, it was much cheaper than any other GPS trolling motor out there, but it also didn't work as well as those. This one is different. It is still way cheaper than any other GPS trolling motor unit out there, and it works on par with the best out there, I would say, in terms of accuracy, smoothness, and precision. And no longer do you need to add really expensive fish finders just to get the maximum features out of your trolling motor. You can now just do it with your smartphone in a free app. Change a variety of settings to fine-tune the trolling motor specifically for your style watercraft and how you fish. And do it all simply by upgrading a basic trolling motor to create the lightest GPS trolling motor on the market that is the most conservative, takes up literally no space on the boat, and is perfect for small watercraft of any sort, from an inflatable like this all the way up to a 16-foot aluminum V-hull. You can change the head from one trolling motor to another. We're very happy with this unit, and we can't wait to share all of it with you, so stay tuned in this entire video series. It starts now.